Hi guys, Patrick here of NorpGeeks.com. As you know, the Rockspace brand have officially entered the Philippines. And just recently, Rockspace Philippines sent us this giant mystery box. And considering that they are a brand focused on mobile accessories, we kind of already know what to expect. So without further ado, let's remove this ribbon and dig in. As you can see, we have the Rockspace logo printed on top if it's still not clear where this box came from. Here we have around 6 to 7 different individual boxes. And before we talk about them one by one, let's take them all out of the box first. First, we have the Rockspace 3-in-1 charging and data cable. This one has a USB Type-A on one end and a micro USB, Lightning, and USB Type-C male ports on the other. This is a great single cable solution if you own different kinds of gadgets from iPhones, possibly a MacBook Pro, or an Android device. It has a tangle-free design with an almost 3 feet of length. You can get this cable for 599 pesos. Next up, we have the Rockspace T20 Multifunctional Travel Charger. This one is compatible in almost every plug available out there, perfect if you're a jet setter. You can get this one for a price of 1,399 pesos. We also have here the Rockspace W6 Pro Quick Wireless Charger. This one comes with a stand and 2 charging coils, so you can place the device either in vertical or horizontal mode. It supports 10 watts of fast charging and has an LED indicator on the top right. This wireless charger is available for only 999 pesos. But if you want a more elegant solution, we have the Rockspace W10 Quick Charger. This one has a sturdier build and an LED light that surrounds the base, which lights up when your phone is charging. This wireless charger also supports 10 watts of output and retails for 1,299 pesos. Moving up from wireless chargers, we have the Rockspace P51 Mini Power Bank with 10,000 mAh of capacity. It has a rubber-like construction for improved durability and a textured surface. You can get it for a price of 999 pesos. Other than power and charging solutions, Rockspace is also offering different audio products. For one, the Rockspace S11 Bluetooth speaker is a decent alternative to your smartphone or laptop's built-in speakers. Besides Bluetooth, you can plug in a device directly using the 3.5mm jack or play media directly from an SD card. You can then control music via the tactile buttons on the bottom. It also has built-in microphone for hands-free calls. The Rockspace S11 Bluetooth speaker retails for 899 pesos. Lastly, we have the most premium accessory of them all, the Rockspace EB70 True Wireless Earphones. This one comes with a digital signal processor or DSP and Bluetooth 5.0 for a reliable wireless connectivity. The EB70 is also IPX45 waterproof, so you can use it for workouts or running even when it's raining outside. Each earbuds can spit out 4 hours of music playback on a single charge with a total of 17 hours of power together with the charging case. You can get the Rockspace EB70 for a price of 3,999 pesos. All these accessories, including Rockspace's other offerings, are available via their official Lazada store and physical stores nationwide. Again, it's been Patrick from NorpGeeks.com. For more detailed look about these accessories, you can check out all the available links in the description. You might also hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you like it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time we post a video. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching.